This video will show you a few ways to find movie reviews online and through the library's databases. We'll start with the library. From the library website, go to Databases A to Z. Two good databases to use for finding reviews are Newspaper Source Plus and ProQuest Research Library. In either of these databases, type in your movie title. Remember to use quotation marks if the title has multiple words. Then in the next search box, type in movie or film. Then put review in the last search box. Make sure to check the checkbox to limit to full text. Then click on search. Now you have your list of results. If you see one you'd like to view, just click on the title and it will bring you to the full text of the article. From here, you can also email the article to yourself or download a PDF of the article. The results you'll get in these databases include articles from newspapers and journals from across the country. If you are looking for articles in a specific publication, there's a way to do that as well. Back on the library website, click on eJournals, then type in the name of the newspaper, magazine, or journal you'd like to find, and click on the search icon. Click on the title of your publication, then under the View Online section, select one of the databases listed. This will take you to a page where you can browse the publication by date or search within the publication. If you click on the Search Within This Publication link, you'll be taken to a page where you can add additional search terms. So we can search for our movie again. Click on Search, and get a list of articles on our movie from this specific publication. You can also find great movie reviews online. Two good places to go are the Internet Movie Database, or IMDb, and Metacritic. In IMDb, simply search for your movie title in the search bar, then scroll down to the User Reviews section. At the bottom of that section, click on See All Reviews. This website contains reviews from both the general public and professional critic reviews. To see just the professional reviews, use the box in the top right to navigate to External Reviews. This list will contain reviews from other critics online. In Metacritic, again search for your movie title, scroll down, and look for the Critic Review section. You can select from the reviews shown, or scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on View All to see reviews from national newspapers and other websites. If you have any questions about using the library's databases or finding reviews, contact a librarian.